I'm Dr. Brian Prax. I'm the clinic director here at Heal Better Health Centers, and I'm here with my lovely wife, Dr. Jennifer Prax, and my amazing son, Blaze Prax. Our mission statement here is to help humanity heal better and not just feel better. And I got to say, as a dad, as a husband, and as a doctor, it's such an amazing mission statement to teach people how to heal better and not just to feel better. You know, when you were growing up, that was all you knew. Yeah. When you packed your own lunches, as mama made you do, you knew you had to pack a protein, you had to, what were the other two items that you had to pack in there?
Always got to have a vegetable and a fruit. And
That's
honestly,
right.
I want to continue off of that because I like to talk about how, this is something I've always taken for granted. Right? I grew up with two doctors, which isn't a very common thing, but also the two doctors that I grew up with really address health in a different way. And that's really what we do here at Heal Better Health Center is help patients who have chronic conditions being able to address the root cause of them while not, beating around the bush or just trying to, prescribe something to help with the symptom. And so growing up, I didn't even realize there was a different way. I didn't know what ibuprofen was or Advil or these other things that people use when they get, a sickness or they have a headache or something like that. I never even was aware of it, right? Because what my parents allowed me to do was listen to my body, the innate ability for my body to be able to self-heal, to self-regenerate, and that internally I have the systems that I need in order to be able to help my body function in the best way. It's my job, though, to make sure that the habits and the lifestyle that I live is able to give my body the optimal environment to be able to heal anything that might come its way. And so that's truly what I love about what we do here is that I didn't even know people didn't know that that was what you could do. I didn't know that that was a problem, right? But once I started to join the practice and seeing how many sick people came in and them not realizing how maybe what they eat or what they drink is actually affecting them and seeing that over a 5, 10, 15, 20, 70, 80 year time frame is really saddening. And so what we do here is help more people get access to these kinds of solutions.
Absolutely. Yeah, so that makes me really proud just to hear you understanding how the body works and, wanting to help other people understand how to make choices for themselves and the impact that has on them, how they take care of themselves, how that's going to impact those around them, their loved ones, and the next generation. So teaching the next generation, thinking about, from your upbringing, how that affected your mother's health and how you came out and how you're able to make that change with the next generation.
Let's just say my lunchbox contents wasn't exactly the same as yours, okay? But yeah, so from generation to generation.
Yeah, just making the world a better place. That's what we want.
Yeah, so just kind of circling all back around, we want to take care of people. We want to help you to feel better for sure, because that's really what it's all about. You want to be able to get in the garden. You want to be able to take that trip to Italy and not be rolled around in a wheelchair. You want to be able to play with the grandkids, and you want to just to be able to be independent, not dependent on anyone else. And there's a different way. Don't look towards drugs. Sure, they can help you out in a pinch, in an acute situation. If I break my femur in half, I'm probably going to want that Tylenol, that Motrin, maybe
a little more than that.
Maybe a little more than that. So medicine has its place, but when it comes time to take care of chronic conditions, then we may need to look through a different lens. And that lens is the same way that we raised you. It's to learn or begin to learn how to listen to your body. What is it telling you? And then respond and react in a way to help the body to help itself. So that's how we can help you to heal better. And when that happens, you can feel better.